Hi everyone, welcome to the new lab, which is the Task Manager. Okay, a Task Manager is a tool to monitor and manage the running processes and application, while the system configuration utility is used for troubleshooting the Windows startup process. The function of the Task Manager is to monitor and manage the running processes, application, and the services. The purpose is to mainly identify the resource bottlenecks, okay, and terminate the unresponsive programs. Okay, sometimes it happens with us. Okay, and let's go ahead and I will tell you one by one how to do it. Okay, to turn on the task manager, you have to go to the start menu, and then you can go ahead and turn it on like this. 1 second, yeah. So task manager, I'm typing. Now you can see the task manager has opened. You can see over here, it is showing so many options on the top: process, performance, app histories, and here the CPU, memory usage, disk usage, okay, and the network bytes that it is using. It is also displayed at. So now you can see there are the CPU usage which is going up, okay, and you can check with all this. There are some applications which are using the network around 40%, that is, you can see over here, okay. If I want, if there is a maximum CPU usage that can slow down my computer, I can end it by clicking right on that and then click on end task. But it is not, is shutting down because it's a system application. Okay, I will show you with another example. I will just open a Word file over here. Sorry, a notepad. I will check with the notepad over here, and by this way you can close and shut down the process of the notepad. Okay, now you can see I have detected it. I'll just right click on it. Okay, and this notepad will be closed. You can see, however, it is using 0% in task, and you can see on the background the notepad is closed. So this is how you can close the task on the CPU based on the CPU performance if you want. Okay, now here you can see the performance of the CPU, the memory, okay, the disk, okay, and your internet as well. You can see this graph. From this graph you can easily understand the trend that is going on in your computer. Okay, and now the app history. The app history will tell you that what are the application which has been used in recent past. All right, see, all this application has been used. So the startup is that whenever you boot your computer, these are the application will start with that. Okay, so this is something that you can uh, enable or disable it. If you don't want on OneDrive, then you can right click and disable it. Okay, and if you want to enable something like over here, I can go to Skype and click on enable. So here is how you can enable the startup. Okay, and then user, you can see there is a user that is mentioned over here. Now in the details you can see all this programs which are running and services that are also running on your computer. You can stop the services if you don't want to use that services. Okay, like I can start or stop. I am starting the services now, and now it is showing the status is running. Okay, now I can again go there and click on stop. So the services has been stopped. Okay, I hope that's clear with you, and thank you very much for seeing this video. Have a nice day. Bye.